December. Sasa nitasoma hii ujumbe on behalf of the County Assembly of Nyamira, together with the people of Nyamaya. The County Assembly of Nyamira, together with the people of Nyamaya, are in deep shock and mourning following the demise of Nyamira MCA and the Leader of Majority, Honorable Elijah Osiemo. Yesterday evening, August 7th, 2013, along the Narok-Nairobi Highway 23, along the Narok-Nairobi Highway in a road accident. Two other MCAs, Honorable Duke Masira of Township Ward and Honorable Priscilla Nyatichi, nominated MCA, survived the fatal accident at Dry Port, Maai Mahiu, along the Narok-Nairobi Highway. Their driver, Mr. Penard Sereti, escaped with minor injuries. Honorable Masira suffered a fracture on his arm, while Honorable Nyatichi got a spinal injury. The duo were transferred from Naivasha Sub-County Hospital to Aga Khan Hospital, Nairobi, for further medical attention. Honorable Masira, Honorable Nyatichi, and Honorable Osiemo were traveling to Nairobi for an official meeting when their car was involved in an accident with a motorbike rider. Honorable Masira is the Deputy Leader of Majority, while Honorable Nyatichi is the Vice Chair of Gender, Youth, Sports and Culture Committee. The Speaker, Honorable Kero, led a team of leaders to Naivasha where they coordinated the movement of the survivors to Nairobi. The board of Honorable Osiemo was also moved to Marsh Funeral Home in the city for preservation. The Assembly and the people of Nyamira at large have lost a reliable and a dependable leader in Osiemo, who was the leader of government business in Nyamira County Assembly. We condole with the bereaved family as we wish quick recovery to the survivor of the Chris Road accident. As we are waiting to get further directions and plans, tunasema poleni kwa familia na tunaomba wafanyikazi, tukiwa tunaomboleza wafanyikazi wa Nyamira County Assembly